That's right, Leo coming in this month strong with the roar. Yep, I think we can all learn from Leo here. We all need to know when to purr and when to roar. You know, all the Leos that I have met, I actually get along with most Leos. Actually, no, with all Leos. I think us Scorpios, we get along with Leos. Who else? Aquarius and who was it again? Sagittarius and I want to say Pisces, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm just going by what I've noticed, and it's not like all Scorpios are the same anyway, so I can't speak for everyone. One thing for sure, Leos are definitely vivacious. Y'all sun guns can definitely put your foot down. But overall, y'all pretty cool peeps. I like y'all. I'm not trying to show any type of favoritism or anything like that. So I hope everybody's month's been pretty good. Been guided by Leo here. If anything, Leo should definitely be able to scare off any threats or any negativity out there and guiding us to Virgo. I know this one did take me a little bit to finish. I'm still fighting off them waves, man. We're trying to swim. We're swimming, paddling, doggy pedaling. Or in this case, we're cat pedaling. Yeah. I imagine. Actually, I haven't really seen that many cats swim, but I would say they would pedal just like a dog as well. Ain't nothing wrong with that as long as you get to safety and back to the shore. As for me, I actually grew up like with a pool, and I used to go swimming just about every single night, and sometimes in the morning as well. Just back and forth, but I still cannot swim. I actually almost drowned it twice, and I had two different people save me. One of them is an old buddy of mine, which I should probably say hello. I haven't heard that cat in a while, but yeah, he definitely saved my life once. I don't remember who did the second time, or no, the first time I don't remember, but I know I was like, bubbling and basically drowning. I still can't swim, even though I used to swim like every day. I can only swim underneath the water until I run out of breath, which is really weird because I had to go if you're inside the pool, right? I'm against the wall, and then I push myself downwards from the wall, and then just kind of swim underneath. So I can only swim underneath, but it's pretty basic, nothing fancy. I just sink, I can't swim above, with my head up. I can't pedal. I mean, I try to pedal, and then I just go down, gravity just pulls me way down, and yeah, it's pretty rough. It's hard out here for a Scorpio. It's definitely not in my nature. Oh, speaking of nature, I want to start doing, I want to add two things to the channel. I want to add me going artifact seeking and just looking for items on Saturdays, but with my new schedule, I don't always have Saturdays off, so it's kind of a little bit of a problem, but I did find some new cool tips and tricks, but I don't want to tell you guys now. I want to tell you definitely when I do my drifting video. And I was thinking I can just add those every Sunday, maybe, just go out Saturday and then, or maybe 1 week. I don't know. I don't want to plan anything because then something else will happen, or bad stuff or good stuff. Maybe sometimes too also occupy good stuff occupies your time. Of course it does. Why doesn't it? For example, DC Deck Builder. I've been playing DC Deck Builder for a good while now, and then it's taken up quite a bit of time. Don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining. Decent deck builder is pretty awesome. Anyways, I'll explain a little bit more next time. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions on what to do next. Kind of drawing a blank, but we'll think of something.